Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this video, we will show you a fast and simple way to reset your Rheem AC and restore cool comfort in on time.
Method 1. Using the reset button. Step 1. Turn off the thermostat so the unit doesn't start while you're working. Step 2. Find the reset button, usually a small red or black button, near the copper lines on the outside condenser unit. Step 3. Press and hold the button for a couple of seconds, then release. Step 4. Wait 2-5 minutes to let the system reset internally. Step 5. Turn the thermostat back on and set to your preferred cooling temperature. The system should restart. Method 2. Power cycle. No button available. Step 1. Turn off the thermostat. Step 2. Shut off power to the outdoor condenser and indoor air handler if applicable, using your breaker or disconnect switch. Step 3. Wait 30 minutes to fully discharge any internal circuits. Step 4. Restore power. Wait a little, then turn the thermostat back on and set to cooling. The unit should restart.